this whole thing. I went to the animal shelter and got us a dog. Yep. I'm gonna get the dog. Look. That's the way. Will you please tell this amateur that dogs can't talk and that they jump off on two legs? Take away.
Oh, I'm sorry. I was sucking the milk of this coconut. Running through, Gloria. Play a dog. Be a dog. And action.
I went to the animal shelter and got us a dog. Looks like this dog has bumps in her fur. What? Oh, it's okay. I read on the internet that puppy works great for getting rid of fur bugs.
Maybe you should, yank.
What's the problem, dog?